Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how add event to your calendar on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. To do it, open calendar application, where we can change view for a month to be easily to add by tap to the left and there month, month. Now we tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 23 of May, and there this plus icon and event. First we can add title of our event. There we can set when event starts and finish, which time, or we can set by the switch it will be all day. Repeat of our event, maybe every day, every week, what you need. We can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts. There we can add location of our event, notification, and we can change color, which we see in our calendar. Notification, we can add more than one, I don't say it. Description and attachment. After you add all you need and prefer, we press save and we have it in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.